Okay, you're 5 minutes from your audition, your heart's pounding, your blood's pumping, lines are blurring, you're completely in your head, and you need a fast, effective reset. Not a full vocal warm-up, but a quick fix. Traditional warm-ups felt impossible when I was truly in a crunch. So I developed my own battle-tested 5-minute ritual. This isn't about eliminating our nerves. It's about channeling them for immediate focus, presence, and authentic delivery. But the final, most crucial step has nothing to do with acting, and that's the game changer we're going to talk about at the end. You ready? Let's fix this in 5 minutes. Hit that subscribe button and let's go. All right, minute 1. This is for a quick body activation. We're shaking out the jitters and we're getting into our physical selves. Stand up if you can or stay seated if you must. Start with a bit of gentle neck rolls, move into your shoulders, and don't be afraid to just start grabbing your body part. It's like you're just activating everything by waking it up. Feel free to yawn and move and use your voice while you do it. And really don't forget your bottom half. We want to really get into the pelvic area and your legs. Our lower half holds a lot of energy that if we can access that in our performance, it could give it a whole new meaning. Do a couple of big body shakes. Get that nervous energy moving through you so it's not stuck in you. And make sure you're breathing the entire time because we want that breath to really be influencing how we move our body. And a big portion of this is to make sure that you are moving your spine as well. Do a little snake wiggle, move it side to side, do some hula hoops with your chest. We want to activate all of those vertebrae. So basically your first minute has left you from a whole pit in your stomach, nervous to audition, to moving all that energy just out and about. So now that you have that energy moving in your body, our next minute is going to be dedicated to breath. After all of that activation of moving energy, we need to settle. Find a comfortable position for you, either sitting up, standing, or lying down. I recommend lying down. And when you lie down, I would do the semi-supine pose. By doing semi-supine, you're able to get all of your back more flat on the floor. And because of that, the breath is able to more naturally get into your bottom half. And this is so simple, but you are just going to lie there and breathe. But here's the kicker. You're not going to force your breath. This is not big belly breathing like we're about to sing an opera. This is a settling of energy. So you're lying down, and as you're breathing, you're noticing how your breath moves. By noticing how your breath moves, you're creating presence within your inner self and your outer self. Basically, you're just following your body's natural rhythm. Now, your third and fourth minute are dedicated to your imagination. Coming out of that semi-supine pose with your eyes closed, you're going to turn over very slowly because what we want to do is make sure that we don't bring tension back. Most likely, by lying down for that amount of time, you've allowed a lot of the tensing in your muscles to kind of relax. We want to keep that feeling of relaxation as we start to get up. So take the next 30 seconds to get up quite slowly to make sure that you are not tensing. Then when you're back on your feet, eyes still closed or in a soft gaze, we're going to work on imagination. This is when you basically become a crazy person. Tap into your subconscious and just start talking faster than you can think. And as you're talking faster than you can think, you're going to allow your body to move with it. I'm talking like you don't even have to be saying real words. It could just be sounds. But the key this entire time is we want to make sure we are still released in our muscles. So if you have to go from crazy, right? I told you. And you keep transitioning into, oh, maybe now I feel snow on myself, so I'm going to move very differently because I feel the snow and I love how it just hits my skin. It makes me want to move my body like this. I'm going to keep saying it. You look crazy. But what we're doing is connecting our body to our subconscious. Your subconscious has all of these random images and sounds and stuff coming through, and you are surrendering to let it come out. So work with imagery here and see how you respond to it. Everyone's different. Does your mind take you to your chest full of rushing water? And from there are maybe dark clouds closing in on you, and that makes your body react totally differently. Allow these images to exist with you in your body and be expressionistic. Don't force it, just let it all come. And your final minute, the game changer, is going to be your mindset shift that is going to totally change your performance coming up. Look at everything we just did. You've done the work. Your body's awake. Your breath is alive. Your imagination is pumping, and your imagination is connected with your body, your instrument. So here's what you're going to remind yourself for the next minute. Your only job for your performance is to now express what you are feeling authentically in the moment. Be free to explore, to discover. You cannot control if they like you. You cannot control if you're the right type or if they already cast the role. All you can control is walking in or hitting record with that simple, joyful intention of expressing yourself. Share those interesting, unique discoveries you were just making and put it in the scene work now. That is what books work, and more importantly, that is what makes you a better artist. I probably should have mentioned this in the beginning, but my credits include I have a BFA, I studied at RADA, I've done Shakespeare, I've I've done regional theater, I've been on Netflix, CBS, Hulu. If this interested you at all and you would like to do more work like this and work on scene work, I have an acting class that meets every week online. So if you would like to join us in that weekly class, please check out the link down below to sign up. You know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell if you like more actor content and want to keep developing. Check out one of these videos I made. I think it's for you, and I'll see you next time. Mwah!